Hey everyone, welcome to this channel. Today I want to tell you how to unlock your Pentax 67 if it happens to be locked. If the cocker, whatever that's called, is locked. It can happen if your battery dies while having a film or roll inside. So what you need to do is first of all check if your battery is on by pressing that button. I don't know if you can see it here. And if the light doesn't go off, you need to change the battery. And then once the battery is replaced, take a pen, and there's a little pinhole here. I don't know if you can see it here. Yes, you can, like right here. And just press that, and then it will release the shutter. You will lose one frame, but at least you'll be able to continue shooting. So yeah, make sure you always have a battery that is to not lose money by ruining films. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope you learned something from this. And if you did, consider subscribing to my channel and hit the like button if you really want to help with the whole algorithm thingy. And let me know in the comments below if it helped. Voila.